Let us go through the chapter food. Where does it come from? What did you eat at home today? Find out what your friend ate today. Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? We all eat different kinds of food at different times, isn't it? Ask your friends in the school about the items they would be eating during a day. See if you can also get this information from friends staying in different states of India. There seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. What are these food items made of? Think about rice cooked at home. We take raw rice and boil it in water. Just two materials or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. On the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients. To prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil and so on. Food. Where does it come from? Food materials and sources. It may be easy for us to guess the sources of some of the ingredients, fruits and vegetables, for instance. Where do they come from? Plants, of course. What are the sources of rice or wheat? You may have seen paddy or wheat fields with rows and rows of plants, which give us these grains. And then, there are food items like milk, eggs and meat, which come from animals. Some plants have two or more edible, eatable parts. Seeds of mustard plants give us oil and the leaves are used as a vegetable. Can you think of the different parts of a banana plant that are used as food? Think of more examples where two or more parts of a single plant are used as food. What do we conclude? Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. Animals provide us with milk, meat products and eggs. Cows, goats and buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk. Milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese and curd are used all over the world. Can you name some other animals which give us milk? Plant parts and animal products as food. Plants are one source of our food. We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants. Sometimes roots, sometimes stems and even flowers. Have you ever eaten pumpkin? Does any of our food comes from sources other than plants and animals? Do you know where honey comes from, or how it is produced? Have you seen a beehive where so many bees keep buzzing about? Bees collect nectar, sweet juices from flowers, convert it into honey and store it in their hive. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. So, bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey. What do animals eat? Do you have cattle or a pet that you take care of, a dog, cat, buffalo or a goat? You will then surely be aware of the food the animal eats. What about other animals? Have you ever observed what a squirrel, pigeon, lizard or a small insect may be eating as their food? Some animals only eat plants and their parts. These are called herbivores. There are some animals which eat other animals. These animals are called carnivores. Do you find some animals which eat both plants and animals? These are called omnivores. Thanks.